way they designed roller coasters back in the days of my great-great-granddad. Oh, for God's head scratching, if you know what I mean. Well, these days, we're using computers to do the scratching, and they're helping us turn our dreams into reality. Saves time, saves money, and by testing ideas out before we build them, we're making things safer and better than ever. But don't just take my word for it. Try it yourself. With a little help from the computer, I bet you can design a super roller coaster. Now, before we get rolling, let's take a quick look at the different track sections you'll be using to make up your ride. Here's a fancy spiral piece, and a little drop, a loop, a little rise, and a bigger rise. Now then, all you have to do is touch the track sections one by one in the order you want them to go in your ride. And remember, you can only use each section once. Here, I'll start you off on the right foot with a big drop. You gotta have some speed if you're gonna get anywhere. Okay, now it's up to you. Touch the track section you want to go next. Uh-oh, the computer's letting you know that part won't work there. So try another one instead. Gee, that's swell. Pick your next piece. Uh-oh, the computer's letting you know that part won't work there. So try another one instead. The computer's safety warning just got triggered. Hey, you need to try a different part here. Okay, how about another one? Let's try one more. Gee, that's swell. I guess you'll be wanting this one next. Hey, very slick. Let's see how she flies, Sorbo. Let's try one more. That's what I call a real shoot-to-shoot. Best ride I've had all day. Say, you and the computer are quite a team. And you know what? That's what computer-aided design is all about. So thanks for dropping in, and come back and see us real soon, okay? So long!